Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to print Hello World in Python. First of all, we should know why we choose Python. Well, there are so many other languages like C, C++, Java, Perl, and so on. But why Python? Well, as you all know, that Python is a high-level language and can do a lot of relativity. It gives robust support for object-oriented programming, and the main advantage it has is is that it has easy syntax, so it is easy to understand. You can understand it very easily, as it is normally in human language. There is not much lines to write, and you can write it in like you normally speak. Just there are some functions and other things to learn. So you can download Python. You can go to your browser and search for Python, and the first link you see is where you can download it. Here are the downloads, and you can download it from here according to your operating system, whether it is Windows, Linux, Mac, or any other. And the best thing about it is that it is free. And after downloading it, you can install it as you want from the location where it is being downloaded. Okay, so now we will make our first program. So for it, you just have to search Python, and there you will see IDLE option. You just open it, and there you see many options like file, edit, shell, debug, etc. So first method is just write print and put hello world into it. Well, we put it in inverted commas because it is a string. So it is necessary to put strings in inverted commas. So now just run it. And look, we got the output, hello world. And another method is we create a new file by going to file option, new file, and then declare a variable. A variable is where you allocate the memory of your data. So name it anything, like name, and then hello world, and then print name, and then to run it you have to save it anywhere. I'm going to save it to my desktop. So now it runs. Look, so there are many methods to run a simple string in Python. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you liked it, be sure to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.